Welcome to Car Comparos. Today we'll be comparing the Maruti Suzuki Ignis versus the Celerio. Pricing and features. The Ignis Delta Petrol is priced at 5.6 lakh rupees on road Delhi, which is just 5,000 rupees more expensive than the Celerio ZXO variant costing 5.6 lakh rupees. If we compare the automatics, Ignis Delta 80, which retails for 6.2 lakh rupees, is around 50,000 rupees more expensive than the Celerio ZXi AMT ABS, having a sticker price of 5.7 lakh rupees. In addition to being 5,000 rupees cheaper, the Celerio ZXi-O has 4 extra features that are absent in the Ignis Delta, which are height adjustable driver's seat, rear wash wipe defogger, alloy wheels, and fog lamps. The Ignis, on the other hand, has 200 extra cc's of displacement and an extra cylinder over the Celerio. Performance and drivability. The Celerio is no match to the Ignis Petrol in terms of performance, which is quite obvious. The Ignis is powered by a bigger 1200cc 4-cylinder engine but weighs roughly the same as the Celerio, which is powered by a smaller 1000cc 3-cylinder mill. Not only does this make the Ignis noticeably smoother and more free-revving than the Celerio, but it also gives it better performance than the Celerio across the rev range. This also makes its AMT version less susceptible to rollback on the inclines compared to the Celerio. Apart from that, both cars have equally smooth but slightly slow shifting AMT setups. The Ignis diesel is significantly more vocal than the petrols, but makes up for it with a hell of a torquey mid-range. It is the best car for pulling high-speed overtaking maneuvers over heavy vehicles on the highways. And why wouldn't it be? It has more than twice as much torque as the Celerio petrol and over 50% more than the Ignis petrol. The diesel Ignis is also available with an AMT, but its shifts aren't as smooth as those in the petrol cars. The Celerio diesel has been discontinued due to poor market response. Fuel efficiency. Both the Ignis manual and automatic petrols have an ARAI certified mileage of 20.9 kmpl, which is 2.2 kmpl more than the equivalent Celerios. However, in our back-to-back tests, the Celerio was just over 1 kmpl more efficient than the Ignis. The diesel Ignis though was consistently 3 kmpl more efficient than the Celerio petrol. Space and comfort. The Ignis is marginally bigger than the Celerio along every dimension. However, there is hardly any difference in the space inside both the cars. Only advantage that the Ignis has is that it has a high set rear seat which provides better under-thigh support and better headroom as well as easier ingress-egress than the Celerio. Ignis's boot is also a tad bit bigger than the Celerio's and its interiors are a bit more lively as well. Handling and ride quality. The Celerio has a more balanced suspension setup than the Ignis. The Ignis is set up on the stiffer side since it is a taller car and the resulting body roll needed to be kept in check. However, thanks to wider tires and bigger footprint, it feels grippier and more responsive around the corners. Its higher ground clearance compared to the Celerio also makes it less likely to scrape its underbody over broken tarmac, making it better suited to the harsh realities of our country's roads. Reliability and after-sales service. Maruti Suzuki is a legend when it comes to after-sales support in our country. Add in the typical Japanese reliability factor and you end up with the most hassle-free car ownership experience in the market. The Ignis, being exclusive to Nexa showrooms, has a slight disadvantage compared to the Celerio in terms of rural reach. But otherwise, you just can't go wrong with either of these cars in terms of overall service support. Resale and cost of ownership. The Ignis, being a more premium and modern offering, is bound to retain slightly higher residual value than the Celerio after 5 to 7 years of usage. That makes up for its higher price and fuel cost with respect to the Celerio, resulting in 40,000 rupees lower cost of ownership for the Ignis Delta than the Celerio ZXi-O in the long term. That brings us to the verdict. The Celerio is an excellent all-round package, but within just 2.5 years of its launch, it has already started feeling quite dated. In retrospect, it did feel like a pretty dated product even on the day of its launch. The arrival of the Ignis has highlighted this point even more. As demonstrated above, Lower variants of the Ignis are priced squarely similar to the top-end variants of the Celerio and have similar feature content as well. Maruti has tried to hide this fact by selling the Ignis exclusively through the Nexa outlets and Celerio through its regular outlets. The Celerio is in a dire need of a facelift, but doing that might make it more expensive than the Ignis. However, even at today's prices, the Ignis remains a better value for money option than the Celerio, making it the clear winner of this shootout.